Hey everyone, let's talk about a little nightmare that can really ruin your sleep. Bed bugs. If you've ever woken up with itchy bites and spotted those tiny pests on your mattress, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But before you panic or call in the pros, let me show you some tried and true home remedies that can help you kick bed bugs out, fast. First up, the power of heat. Strip all your bedding, clothes, and soft fabrics from the room. Toss them into your washing machine on the hottest cycle possible. Then dry them on high heat for at least 30 minutes. Bedbugs can't survive those temperatures, so this is your first line of defense. Next, grab your vacuum. Hit every crack and crevice, mattress seams, box springs, bed frames, even the carpet edges. Use the hose attachment and go slow to suck up any hiding bugs or eggs. After you're done, seal the vacuum bag in a plastic bag, toss it out, and clean your vacuum thoroughly. Now, time to bring out diatomaceous earth. This is a natural powder you can buy online or at garden stores. Sprinkle a fine layer around the edges of your mattress, along baseboards, and anywhere you think bed bugs might travel. It's harmless to humans and pets, but deadly to bugs. It dries them out and kills them over time. Don't forget rubbing alcohol. Fill a spray bottle with 70% isopropyl alcohol and spray it directly onto visible bed bugs or their hiding spots. Alcohol kills them on contact, but be super careful, it's flammable, so don't smoke or use flames nearby. You can also use mattress encasements. These zippered covers trap any surviving bugs inside and prevent new ones from crawling in. Leave them on for at least a year to make sure the pests inside are dead. For good measure, declutter your room. The less stuff you have hiding around your bed, the fewer places bed bugs can camp out. Now, I'll be honest, home remedies can do a lot, but sometimes, bed bugs are just too stubborn. If your infestation sticks around after a couple of weeks, don't hesitate to call a professional. And remember, regular checks are key. Inspect your bedding and mattress seams often, especially if you've had bed bugs before. Alright, that's the step-by-step game plan to send bed bugs packing, using stuff you probably already have at home. Sleep tight and don't let the bed bugs bite.